My friends, you're welcome again. We are 5-6 hours away from the snapshot. I want you to log into your Hamster Kombat mini app now and check to be very sure that you have a withdrawal method selected, and not just selected, ensure that this right here is ticked. Okay, if you chose the Bybit exchange as your withdrawal method, check to see if this right here, this green tick, is there. If it is not, you are making a big mistake. Ensure to have a withdrawal method selected with a green tick before the snapshot. Again, the snapshot is about 5-6 hours away from now. Okay, I made a video showing how you can use the Binance exchange as your withdrawal method, or how you can connect the Bybit exchange. Okay, if you still prefer to use your Timekeeper wallet, it is pretty simple. That's the last one here. Just click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to connect. I know almost everybody previously connected their Timekeeper wallet. Okay, don't rely on that. Okay, if you still want to go ahead to withdraw through your Timekeeper wallet, you would need to reconnect. Come to this right here, reconnect, and ensure it has a green tick, just like we have it here. Okay, and what about the airdrop date? We are about 6 days away from the airdrop. Okay, I've made videos regarding how to go about selling your airdrop allocation on the Bybit exchange. Okay, if you want to know how to sell on listing dates, okay, I made a video. The video is going to be linked in the description of this video, and of course I'm going to make more updates on that. Okay, on the listing day, I'm going to make an update on that video to show you how I'll go about selling mine. Okay, I'm pretty sure some of you would not want to sell on listing. Some of you would want to still hold for 2, 3, 4 days or even weeks. Okay, the decision is entirely yours. Okay, I'm here to show you how to do whatever you want to do. Okay, if you want to sell, well, that video is going to be in the description, and of course, as I said earlier, I'm going to make updates on that. I've been getting requests on how to sell on the Binance platform. The process is actually very similar. If you know how to sell on the Bybit exchange, the process is simple. You would have to move your Hamster Kombat Airdrop allocation from your funding account to your spot account, and from there you can trade. Okay, I am going to make that video before the listing date. Make sure you are subscribed. Okay, make sure you are subscribed, and we're planning to start going live on this channel. I made a post about it, and most of you liked that decision. Okay, so we'll start going live on this channel, and anytime we go live, we'll take questions, we'll answer questions, and we'll talk about crypto. Okay, if you're a newbie or you're an OG in this game, okay, you can join, contribute to the show. Okay, we're all here to learn together, okay, and to help some of us that are new into this crypto thing. Okay, what do you guys think about this video? If you've got any questions, let's have them in the comment section. This is it for this video. This brings our bees. As a guy Ken, signing off for now. Let's go.